Hey, this is Steven with Upshift Online, and we're here in Death Valley, California, right on the Nevada border. We spent the last couple of days riding this new Michelin Anakee Adventure tire.
This new tire here is the Michelin Anakee Adventure. This tire is our newest addition to our trail line, and it really fills a gap that Michelin had within our lineup, which is currently we have the Road 5 Trail, which is 100% on-road use for trail bikes. We also then have the Anakee Wild, which is a 50-50 tire, 50 on-road, 50 off. This tire is an 80-20, meant for 80% on-road use, 20% off. Many of you are familiar with the Anakee 3, which has been OE on the BMW GS for years and years. We're now proud to say that this tire is homologated on the new GS 1250. After extensive testing with BMW, we're glad to bring this to the market on both the OE and the replacement side as well, starting just a couple months ago in January 2019. As many people are aware, the adventure segment has been one that's been growing for years and years now. The reason it's been growing is because riders love the versatility of an adventure bike. People commute to work on it, they go on trips, they tour with it, and then they also go off-road with it, right? So people look for the many different uses they can get out of their adventure bike. Similarly, this tire, an 80-20 tire, is designed to perform extremely well on-road in both dry and wet, but then also once you get to your destination, be able to take you off-road so that you can hit that dirt and hit that mud and have fun.
The Michelin Anakee Adventure tire features a really innovative tread design with a variable groove ratio that, as you see, as you go deeper into the lean angle of the tire, the tread groove widens to evacuate more loose soil when you're in an off-road application. Also, it features our bridge block technology that's located here on the sidewall. So when you're at higher speeds in on-road conditions, it kind of strengthens these two blocks to eliminate any kind of squirm between them. So that, coupled with the 2CT Plus, which is the more durable center rubber that goes underneath the casing of the tire on the side, really improves the stability of the tire, especially when leaning and accelerating out of turns. The question of longevity for an adventure touring tire is a great question. What we do at Michelin is we integrate the technology of 2CT and 2CT Plus. So we're able to put a much more durable rubber compound in the center of the tire, which is where you're at when you're straight up on some long highways headed out to some adventure. And that enhances and extends the tread life, and the softer silica rubber on the shoulder, it provides great grip and at lean angle for both wet and dry conditions.
It's been an awesome couple of days. We've ridden this tire on a variety of motorcycles, from a GS 1200 on the large side to a BMW F800 on the smaller end, and then spent most of today on the Suzuki V-Strom 1000. So it's been a really fun experience. The tire is pretty incredible. It's an 80-20 tire, so 80% street, 20% off-road, which makes it really cool, a really great match for a lot of these modern adventure bikes. You know, BMW GS's, V-Stroms, these kind of bikes, in my opinion, are basically an 80% street bike with some off-road capability, and this tire is a really good fit for these motorcycles. We've ridden the tire on a variety of different conditions, from straight asphalt street to some windy street, a little bit of off-road, and some gravel, some dry lake beds. And true Upshift style, we've probably pushed it a little bit further off-road than what it was capable of or what it was designed for, but actually it came out working really well. So we got ourselves out of a couple of rocky situations, and the tire powered right through it. If I had to pick a favorite feature of this tire, I'd definitely say is the 2CT compound technology. What's really cool about this is nobody likes buying tires. Tires are expensive, and it really sucks when they wear out. And the reality of adventure bike riding is you're always going to have a little bit of slab to get you between the epic locations. So what Michelin's done with this tire is put a harder compound in the center of the tire, and with still a softer compound on the edges of the tire. So when you're leaned over in the corners, you still have that traction when you need it, but then you're not sacrificing the durability when you're just going straight down the road, riding from location to location. So overall, it's been a great experience. A big thanks to Michelin for having us out here. Really stoked on this new product from them. And yeah, read more about this in Upshift Online.